To change the input source on your Sceptre Gaming Monitor, you'll primarily use the physical buttons located on the back or bottom right of the monitor. The most common method is using the physical buttons. First, briefly press the power or menu button to access the quick menu. A quick menu will appear on screen. Use the directional buttons to navigate to the input or source option. Select the input option to see available input sources like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or DisplayPort. Alternatively, you can access the full OSD menu by pressing and holding the menu button for 2 to 3 seconds. Navigate to Setup or System menu, then find Input Select or Source Selection to choose your desired input source. Many newer Sceptre monitors also feature auto detection, which automatically switches to active input sources and can be enabled or disabled in the monitor settings. These methods work with all common input types, including HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA, and other connections available on your Sceptre monitor. Sceptre gaming monitors support multiple input types, each designed for specific use cases. Understanding these connections helps you choose the right setup for your devices. HDMI is the most common input type, perfect for gaming consoles like PlayStation and Xbox, as well as modern PCs. Most Sceptre monitors include multiple HDMI ports for connecting several devices. DisplayPort is the preferred choice for high refresh gaming at 144 Hz or higher. It provides superior bandwidth and is ideal for competitive gaming where every frame matters. Newer Sceptre models include USB-C inputs, which are convenient for laptops and mobile devices. This single cable can carry both video signal and power, simplifying your setup. VGA provides legacy support for older systems. While not ideal for modern gaming due to analog limitations, it ensures compatibility with vintage computers and older devices. When troubleshooting input issues, start with the basics. Check all cable connections and verify your device's output settings match the monitor's input. For slow input switching, disable auto detection in the monitor settings and use manual switching instead. This provides faster, more reliable input changes. If you encounter menu navigation difficulties, consult your specific model's manual for the correct button layout. When all else fails, a factory reset can resolve persistent navigation problems. Remember, most input issues can be resolved by checking connections first, then adjusting settings. These simple steps solve the majority of common problems with Sceptre gaming monitors.